Hi, my name is Mohsen Pradesh and I'm your Ielts presenter. And let's start your test. So, how are you?
I'm good, Alhamdulillah.
Okay, so where are you from?
I'm from Kotli, Azad Kashmir.
Can you please tell me your name?
My full name is Moneeba Malik, and you can call me by my first name, Moneeba.
And could you please tell me about your hometown?
I belong to Kotli. This is a small village near to Kotli, Azad Kashmir, and my hometown is so beautiful, having so many facilities.
Okay, Moneeba. Moneeba, what kind of things do you like to buy?
I like to buy those things which can facilitate me in my future.
And what are the foods that you mostly include in your diet?
I like hygienic food. Sometimes it depends on mood, oftenly.
Okay. And what kinds of cold drinks that you want to take?
I want to take mint margarita in this summer season.
Okay. So summer season is your favorite season.
Yes.
And how many weathers are there around you?
By the blessing of God, we have all kind of season like spring, autumn, summer, winter, and rainfall as well.
Okay. Is summer is your favorite time of the year?
Yes, of course, summer is my favorite season. As we blessed in our country with all kind of season like winter, summer, spring, autumn, and rainfall. But the duration of summer is a bit long as compared to other seasons, and I like summer as compared to other season because we have so many fruits in this season and so many performance in so many activities we do in this season.
Okay. What do you do in summer when the weather is very hot?
I usually prefer to stay inside when it is so hot in summer. While when it starts 4 or 5, then I start my outdoor activities.
Do you go to holiday every summer?
Usually, I tend to plan to go away from home when it is summer holiday because it is the best time to spend time with your family in this season because it's a season when every spot, every tourist areas were open and we have our best time to.
Okay. Moving further to our cue card, and your cue card is describe a luxury item you would like to own in future.
It is hard to say that to have an. It is hard to say that an item as a luxury because people now ages tend to move themselves as a comfort life and they change their lifestyle. They need comfort themselves and by when we see others people we change our lifestyle and as other peoples I also have a dream or luxury item. It is a cottage or a farmhouse near to a village and near to a river where I can spend my leisure time with my family, with my kids, and the farmhouse which will equipped with all type of facilities where my kids have all sort of toys and where I have well furnished interior decorations and where we have.
Which expensive item would many people or many young people would like to buy in your
in this modern age, I believe that, or I noticed that the modern people, the young people, young children like to buy latest technology like smartphones, like laptops, like digital watches, and so on. And they try to buy these things by every now and then.
Okay. How do the expensive items that younger people want to buy differ from those that the older people want to buy?
Actually, older people, I believe, have an experience of life, so they don't have this kind of thought to buy luxury items like the youngest one. They prefer to bring landlands and land and their properties and all that facilities which were provide facilities in future.
Okay. Do you think that people are more likely to buy expensive items for the friends or for themselves or for their customers?
It depends on social and economic factors of the person. Because not everyone can easily afford them, but if any person can afford them, they might be buy any expensive item for the friends, but on special occasion or when they expect anything in return. But broadly speaking, some broad-minded people can buy these luxury items for themselves, and no doubt they buy different expensive item for the others, but the people of those type of are very low.
Okay, thank you so much, Moneeba, for taking my Ielts test.
Thank you so
And
much.
wish you good luck. Hope you get a marks in the future.
Thank you so much, you too as well.